Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about some of the key features of the LetsShave company's beard, body and head trimmer. This particular trimmer gives you 90 minutes of cordless usage. You'll get 140 minutes of usage after 120 minutes of charge. There are two detachable combs, one that comes separate and one that's attached to the trimmer itself. This also comes with 38 different length settings. All of them are marked here, between 1 to 10 millimeter and then 11 to 20 millimeter. That's total 38, not counting the 0 and 20. And it also comes with a cleaning fluid and a brush, which is standard for most trimmers these days. It also comes with a cloth bag so that you can carry it around. Finally, this trimmer comes with a detachable head, making it easy to clean and maintain. And those are some of the key features of the LetsShave company beard, body and head trimmer. Thank you for watching.